The last time was big with 8. How about 17?
That was 16.
17. Have you counted? Look at this. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Look at that.
I can't get that close. I can't see it.
Look at that. It's ridiculous. Don't worry, I'm wearing my goggles. Just to remind you. Oh, and by the way, this is what happened to our last guy. Oh, his other part's over there. Lost a leg, lost an arm, cracked a little bit, head all black, body all black. It's pretty neat. That was only at 8. Hold on. Sorry. And just a reminder, this is what one does.
That wasted time.
Okay, this is what all of them do. Be ready to back up, Kyle. Sweet! Ready, Kyle?
I didn't get that part. Still smoking.
Lost his legs.
Yep.
I'm not done with him. We'll have part 2 with Olonius too. Make his head come off.
Wanna watch it?
Yeah.